welcome again to this channel. At this point in time, let us solve this very simple problem, basic problem on the relationship between the temperature and resistance. So it is stated here that there is a 100 degree Celsius condition and a 20 degree Celsius. Two conditions, the other one, the resistance is given 50 ohms for 20 degrees Celsius, but the resistance at 100 degrees Celsius is not given. That is what we are looking for. We can actually use here the inferred absolute temperature concept. In doing this, we must know the absolute temperature of the material. For instance, if it is silver, there is a negative 243. For the copper is negative 234.5. For the gold, negative 274, and so on and so forth. The materials that we are using here is a copper. So therefore, the absolute temperature of that material, pure metal, is negative 234.5 degrees Celsius. So what we gonna do is that we are to know that we have here R sub 2 over R sub 1 is our formula, which is negative T sub 2 absolute value plus temperature at that condition divided by the absolute value of the metal. Let's say this is 0, this is 0, and then plus T sub 1 for condition 1. So but since we have already R2 and R1, let's say that the condition 2 is 100, so we just write it here, and R2 is unknown, so we are looking for R2, which is equal divided by the way, R1 is 50 ohms here, so we write it as 50 ohms, and the absolute value is negative 234.5. Since it is absolute, we just write here 234.5. okay, so plus the value at temperature 2. So at temperature 2, that will be 100 degrees Celsius divided by, again, the absolute value of the temperature coefficient, 234.5, plus the temperature 1 here is actually 20 degrees Celsius. So that is 20. So this is how it goes, because we are going to take the value for condition 1 and condition 2. You have, for condition 1, you have resistance 1, which is 50 ohms, and T1. Okay, this is your R1, this is your T sub 1, and this one here is your T sub 2, the condition 2. What you are looking for is R sub 2. Okay, so you just get your calculator and press your calculator. So in this case, the numerator will be multiplied to the denominator on the left side, so that will be 50 times 334.5 divided by, so this is 200, you add 234.5 plus 20, so that will be 254.5. So your R2, you just press your calculator if you have your calculator with you. So you have 334.5 times 50. This is equivalent to 16,725. Okay, Okay, so let me just write it. 16,725 divided by 254.5. So therefore, we divide it by 254.5. So it will give you 65.717 or 72. This is ohms. So this will be your answer. Okay? So that is the resistance at 100 degree Celsius. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I add something to your learning desire. Thank you so much.